It's Aqua WTI, and I really am loving this Pinky Up Cherry Rhubarb tea. It is a dessert tea, and yes, that means the tea is the dessert. That's how good this tea is. So Pinky Up decided, why not make tea taste like cobbler? And that's what they did. They made this delicious cherry rhubarb tea that's really sweet. I love how you can see the bits and pieces in this tea. It is a loose leaf, so you will need some type of infuser or tea press to brew this tea. It is an herbal blend, so it has no caffeine, so you can drink this tea any time of the day. It has notes of apple, pineapple, blackberry, rhubarb, rose, cherry, all make up this blend as well. Really delicious, and it just curbs that sweet tooth that sometimes comes at night, and it won't ruin the whole day's diet. I love this tea, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I have. That's my point of view, so Pinky Up.